So hey guys, this is Tech World here with another video. So finally I got time to make the S6 theme tutorial. So this will be part 1, and in this one I'll be showing you how to install or make the lock screen, and in part 2 I'll be showing all about the home screen and apps. So to begin with, first we have to download few apps. So these links will be in the description. Yes, so I'll put all these links in the description. And if this widget locker, if you want this app, you need to have RSProduction, as this is a paid app, and if you're willing to pay, then there's no problem. So first let's begin by downloading the S6 lock screen PNG script zip file. So you need to have mega, otherwise you won't be able to download this. Just saving this to SD card. Let's see, the download is winning. So by the time I'll download widget locker, so this is RSProduction, so you have to have this app installed. And if you don't know what is RSProduction, check out my video, get paid apps for free. Now this is going to be installed. So actually RSProduction is a place where you can get paid apps for free, so you'll get to know in detail in my video. So just check it out if you don't know, and if you know about RSProduction, good. So this widget locker is the main thing. All are going to run on top of it. Now we will go ahead and install simple text widget. S6 lock screen. So simple text widget, that you can get it from Play Store, no need of going anywhere else. So I have already this installed already. Now next and the final app is X widget. Over here you have few work to do. Okay, so in X widget, once you install it, you have to download few widgets inside it. So I uninstalled to show you how you have to do this. So it's being loaded up. Now you click open. So now what you have to do is download the widget S6 lock screen theme. So it will be date and time. I think it will be in downloads. Mostly yes, right here. So I'm sorry guys if this video is laggy. Please bear with me. Right here, this Galaxy S6 clock widget is what you should download. So it will be in downloads right here in the download section, and the category is all. Okay, so we are clicking S6 clock widget, so it must be installed here. Okay, now since all is done, we have to go to my files or any file manager in your phone. Just wait for it. Okay, my files. The phone is a bit laggy for some reason, I don't know. Is it because I'm recording the video? Okay, now we are going to check in device storage, and we have to extract the zip file which we had downloaded before. Yes, this S6 lock screen PNG zip, we have to extract it over here. So now this is extracted. This is going to be very helpful for our lock screen, And this is even useful for making widgets as it has all the weather icons and other stuff. So now let's go ahead to widget locker. The application might be somewhere over here. Yes. So once you come to widget locker, it will show you all these steps. You can continue, but I'm just skipping it off. So the first thing you have to do is go to settings and go to look and feel. Over here you have to go to layout and untick this. Then you have to change this into 12 by 12. Some changes might be made, so now we have to go back and remove these widgets off. Okay, this is a bit hard. Yes, remove that. And this also we can remove. Just wait, hold on. So now we have to add our custom sliders and widgets. So first we'll add a widget. So we are going to click widgets. Now we have to scroll down to X widget. Now for the time being, choose any one size. It can be 4:2, 4:3. It doesn't matter right now. So you click there. You have to click resize. Now you have to resize it to top, and it should be somewhat like this. So it should be fitting in the edge. So it will look like the S6 lock screen. Of course, you can even download the S6 weather widget, so you will have the weather information right here. For me, I think this is the perfect one. Now what you have to do is click custom sliders. Then over here you have to check whether you have the invisible theme. So if you are not having it, what you do is click over here, get themes. So it will redirect it to Tesla Coil's website. So right here you will see invisible tabs. Click that and you click widget locker. So it's downloaded right here. So now we go here and just pull to update it. Now if you scroll down, you can see invisible tabs right here. Click that. Now there won't be much of any animation. So what we are going to do is disable the right side. So we are going to disable it. Now on the left side slider, we are going to pull it and now change its application. So right here you can download the S6 themed phone app. I'll be showing in my part 2, or for the time being what you can do is go to the phone app currently you're using, and you have to now go to icon and click gallery. So I'll be using the Samsung's gallery as its CC. Now you have to use your native gallery. When you scroll down over here, you can see this drawable album. So click that, and over here you will be able to see these icons. So it is in drawable 31. So I'll be choosing this one. Don't choose the red or the transparent one. You can choose any of these two, this one or this one. I'm choosing this one. Now you have to crop it exactly the size of this, and it will be better if you leave few spaces between these 4 edges. So since this is done, click done. Now you have to do is click done again over here. So now you can see the slider is made, but we need the slider to go upwards. So first let me go back to widget locker. Now we are going to resize this. So once you click resize, pull this all the way down. Now push this to the left side, and now pull this up a bit more if possible. Resize. I don't know why we can't pull it up. Something is blocking it right here. So I guess 12 by 12 is not gonna help, so we wanna click here, go back to look and feel, then layout, and change it to 6 by 6. I guess this might mostly work. If you click automatically it will become 4x4, but we don't need 4x4 right now. Click save. I'll go back. Widgets are, oh okay, I did something wrong. I deleted the slider which we made, but I'll make it in a moment now. Application. On a phone. Icon gallery. Oh, 31. So it's done. Now what you have to do is resize this, and you have to push it to this corner. Then you have to pull it up from here. I don't know for some reason why I'm able to pull this up. Okay. There's some sort of locking going on right here. Okay, I guess this widget is blocking it. Nope. Okay, this is awkward. So now let's carry on and make the second slider. So in this one again you're choosing invisible tabs, and you're going to disable the left hand side slider. On the right slider you will click applications and choose your camera app. So right here I'm using Samsung camera. Now go to icons, again to gallery. Now you have to go to drawable 31 icons. Oh here you can see these both cameras. This one is a little more brighter. This one is a little more brighter than this. You're choosing this icon. I'll now crop this up. Click done. Again, you have to repeat the same process. What happened to all our widgets? Okay, something is wrong. Yeah, came back. Now, again we edit this. I'll bring this down. Okay. I did it the wrong way, I guess. Okay, I always get confused between these. You're going to remove this, and again do custom slider, theme, invisible tabs. We are going to disable the right one, and the left hand slider will be our application. This widget locker is very useful, and you can make different type of designs through this. Many of them have made very amazing works, and luckily I was able to find out a way for the S6 lock screen. Right here somewhat, this is what want, and yes, perfect. Now we again click done. Okay, we are going to click this, click resize. We're going to pull it to the corner. Okay, something is wrong right here. I don't know why, but I can't increase the size. So I guess I'll go to settings, go to buttons and input. There might be something wrong going around. So we're going to click layout and put automatic determining size. Okay, now I understood what was the problem. We all forgot to do one thing. Sorry, I forgot to tell you all. But when you go to layout, you have to pull this and pull this all the way down. Now you have to click automatically determine, untick that, Click 6 by 6. Now click save. Now everything will come back to normal. Okay, we lost those since we pulled it down, so I'll come back once that's done. I made a slider out here. Now what you have to do is resize this as I told it. Oops, again I made the same mistake. Yep. So once you resize now, you can pull this up. So you can see the icon size increased. So this is the perfect icon size. So you have to make somewhat around this. Now you have to make the other slider. Custom slider, theme, visible tabs. Disable this. Application. Camera. Icon. Gallery. Drawable 31 icons. You choose the camera icon. Again do the same thing. So once again I remind you guys, at the page layout, pull that thing down, otherwise it won't work properly. So this is perfect right now. If you want, we can make this bit more smaller. Okay, so again you have to go to the page layout. Look and feel. We have to make this proper. It might take some time to make the perfect layout for mobile screens and differs from one person to another. So I'm putting it again to 12 by 12. So again we have to increase the lock size. This looks perfect. Resize, pull this down all the way down there. Okay, this looks fine. Resize, pull it all the way down. Actually I guess this is the perfect size, so you have to do the same here. Okay, so this looks fine. You can make any adjustments here. So I'll make the clock widget little more bigger, as that is the main highlight in this. Now you have to click this widget and click here block clicks. Otherwise what will happen is that when you simply click this widget, this options will become, and at times it's a bit irritating, so we can block the clicks. Now as I told, this is like a finger scanner. So what basically I did was, if you press the home button, the phone unlocks. So this is the way of finger scanning. So now to make it more realistic like finger scanning, what we're going to do is click widget and add the symbol text widget which we had downloaded. It will be somewhere around here. Okay, where is it now? Yeah, I guess I can't find it. I'll come back once I find it. So I found the widget, guys. So once you go there, you click the symbol text widget. Now over here you're going to type backup password. It should be full in caps lock. So backup password, and below you will be typing your mobile carrier's name. So mine is Etisalat, so I'm gonna type Etisalat right here and click put back. So now you can see the font size is very big, that's why it's not being able to be seen. So what you're going to do is click on this widget. Now here in font size you're going to change it to 15. Now if you check, it's somewhat coming properly. So we'll place this widget right here between these two. Exactly between these two widgets. Yes, that's perfect. If you want, we can make that Etisalat come a bit more down. So for that, what I'm going to do is click here and just enter space. So no, it doesn't look good. Click back over here and we're just going to move this bit side. Yes, this is fine. Of course you can do more editing if you want over there. This widget will be very helpful. You can type whatever you want in there. Okay, this is hot. Okay, so this is fine. So now, instead of pressing the home button all the time, we will put an invisible slider out here. We're going to click custom slider and we're going to click invisible tabs. So now we have to go back to home screen and we have to go to my files. Okay, let me just find my files. So you remember the invisible tab widget locker file we had downloaded, so we have to find it out where we have kept it or where it has been downloaded. So it must be mostly in Xwidget. No, it might be in tesla.coil. Flex, DCM, photo editor, picture download. I guess it's in data. Yes, this invisible tabs, we can just copy it into your device storage. So now we're going to extract the zip file and now we'll go back to widget locker. Now over here we are going to again click and add the custom slider. Of course, invisible tabs, you're going to disable one side. That depends upon you, or if you want you can enable it. So I'm just disabling it. Now what you have to do is pull this up and widget locker actions, you have to click unlock. Now you have to click on icons, we click go to gallery, and now you can notice that a new zip file called invisible has been made. So here you can see all blank, but all these are files and they are transparent. So just randomly click somewhere, so one picture will come and it will just click done. So now when you click done, the widget the slider is made somewhere around here. So now we have to find that somewhere around here. So the easiest way to find it now is just extend this, and where you see a block, it means it's somewhere around here. So it's somewhere around here, I guess. So I found it. So now we can just fold this and into according to your wish and make it as a slider over here. Okay, so I'll just this is tricky. It should have been exactly in the place where it was. Oops. Okay, now where is the slider? Now we have to find that out. Oh, this is why. Let's try pulling it up. Yes. So here I have placed the widget, and right here when you click you can see that green dot over there. So now if you pull up, the screen will unlock, and if you press your home screen button, the phone will unlock. So to prank your friends, you have to keep it as if your finger is being scanned, and when you press, the phone becomes unlocked. So this is the final version of the lock screen. So as widget locker is enabled now, that was it guys. Now the part 2 will come soon, and it's gonna be Tech World's first anniversary in a couple of days. So there will be all shout out to my subscribers. If you're new here, please like, comment, subscribe and share. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.